In this video, we want to talk about embedding a video. So we've done our title and our slug and our intro, and now we have a video. You can see how this looks on my real estate website, and here's how it looks on my Ballen Brands website. And I actually have the same thing on my Lori Ballen website, so you can see the trend here with all of my blog posts. I work to add a video at the top wherever possible. Many reasons, but it's something I do consistently now and try to put in every blog post. So one, you can create the video. So in this particular case, my team and I created the video. In the Lori Ballen side, my team and I created the video. And so we would have a URL to place there. But if not, this video here is actually not mine. This is a hyperlocal blog post about Cowabunga Bay, the water park, and I wanted to have a video here. And I'm not in the position right now to send a drone out to do the whole video for a blog post like this just yet. I might not, but let's just say I don't have a video. So what I do instead is I go over to YouTube here, and I just type into the search bar Cowabunga Bay Water Park. Now, once I'm in here, I can use the filter, and I can sort by the length of the video, the features of the video, how recent the video is, the popularity, all kinds of things, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a video that has the license to share so that I can embed it on my website. So let me show you. Let's just say we like this first one and I were to click on it. I might try to find one that doesn't have ads, by the way. Generally, I will if I can find one that doesn't have ads. But then here, I'll go down here and I'm going to click share. Okay. Now here's the URL, and we can just take that for our website. But what I want to look at is, do I have permission to embed this on my website? So if you click embed, there's the code. The code's there. I can embed this on my website. I'm not going to make any changes to it. I'm just going to use it on my website. So that gets more exposure for the person that uploaded it to YouTube, and it's benefit to my website, so it's a win-win. That's why people allow those shares to be on. Sometimes they just don't know any better with their licenses, but this guy's going to benefit. His ad's going to run. If he's got AdSense, he's making money on it, it's a benefit to him, okay? So as long as I have the embed option, though, I usually don't take the code. What I do is I go ahead and take that URL. I'm going to use a short code instead, and I go over to my website. Let's just go to this one here, okay? Now, on my Vegas website, I have it's on the special brew theme, and we use content blocks. And in the future versions of WordPress, they will all include content blocks. So it's a good idea to get used to content blocks. On my Lori Ballen website, it's just a plain WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor, okay? But we're going to go ahead and click add content block, and now this looks like a regular any other blog, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here, and I'm going to put insert. Actually, we would have already had our intro, so I'm going to put this right after the intro. So the intro content block would be up here, and now I'm going to add the video. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to click insert shortcode, and I'm going to go down to my YouTube Advanced, not YouTube, YouTube Advanced. The reason I want the YouTube Advanced option is I've already preset what I want, the width of the video, the height of the video, the do I want it to show similar related videos? I've already done all that. So for me, I want to make sure that I'm using this. Now be careful when you first go paste this in. If you immediately start scrolling down, it might not catch, and it would be the previous video. So you're always going to want to preview this before you insert it. So I put the URL. I don't need to do anything else because everything is preset. Go all the way down to the bottom and click live preview. Make sure it's the video you want to show up, not the video you previously used, okay? Then you click insert shortcode. I'm going to hit preview and show you what it looks like. And there it is. You can also use the YouTube embed code if you don't have all of these features that I have, but I prefer to use the presets because it's much easier than resizing every time and the related videos and whatnot. Okay, so that is how we add a video, embed a video on our blog post or blog page when we're doing our SEO copywriting. And that was step 4.